In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wix website link in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to showcase your business, promote your personal blog, or simply share your creative portfolio, being able to easily share your website with friends, family, or clients is key. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to access your site through the Wix editor. If you're new to Wix, this is the platform where you build and design your website. Open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Then log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, you should see a list of your sites. Click on the site that you want to share to open it in the Wix editor. Now that you have your website open in the editor, the next step is to hit the Publish button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. It's a very important step because publishing makes sure that your website is live online and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Even though you might have previously published the site, republishing is often a good practice after making new changes or updates. After you click Publish, you'll receive a confirmation indicating that your site is now live. Following this, you should see an option to View Site. Click on View Site to open your live, public website in a new tab. This is essentially the front door to your website, the page that visitors will see when they type in your web address. Now that your website is live and open in a new tab, look up at your browser's address bar. You'll see the URL of your newly published website there. This URL is effectively the web address for your site and the key piece of information you need to share your work with others. Go ahead and click once on the URL to highlight it. Then right-click and select Copy from the context menu. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy the link. With the URL copied, you can now paste it anywhere you want to share your site. Perhaps you want to send it via email, post it on social media, or even include it in a digital resume. Simply navigate to the platform or medium where you want to share your link, click to set the cursor in the body of your message or post, and right-click to select Paste. Keyboard shortcuts such as Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac can also accomplish this. Now your website link is shared, accessible to anyone you choose. And there you have it. A simple, quick guide to sharing your Wix website link. Follow these steps, and you'll be sharing your digital creation with the world in no time at all. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.